so welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, we are going to be finishing making our slime. Because we didn't finish. So we're still on the part adding. So I took out some of my blood and I'm going to put it in there. So then I put it inside. Okay, now. I can see the blood. It's right there. Do you see that red spot? That's my blood. So we're going to add this in here. Let's take this out first. Now adding this in here. Guys, it looks so disgusting. It looks like yellow pea. Pea is yellow anyway. So it's not that disgusting. So guys, we finished with that. Guys, we're gonna add other markers like red, green, and purple. So super purple. So guys, purple doesn't want to open, so we're gonna turn green then. This is so good, guys. So now we're gonna try purple, but we're not gonna open it and take it out like we did to the yellow. We're just gonna dip it inside like that. My mom is here. I don't want me to get caught. I don't want it to get caught, guys. So I gotta hurry up and put the markers in here. Red.
Yeah.
The grandma's coming. Okay, guys, I got it ready. It looks like it's gold. It's gold. So I'm gonna add a little bit more toothpaste. So guys, I just added some toothpaste. Huh? What? We have a huh? So guys, I just want to go see a mouse. Look at my slime.
A piece of paper, eh? Ooh, I forgot to get gloves. Or a piece of paper for your gloves in the bathroom. You can double it. I double it. When I use it. Stop! You're the one who said to touch my hand.
So guys, I just So guys, I think I'm just gonna end my video right here. Since I made it, I succeeded. So guys, I hope you like this video. Comment down below if you ever made slime before and you like gold color and you made golden slime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that notification button, subscribe, and I will see you. Hit that like button, hit that notification button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.